So on today's project, we have this, I guess it's a bolt bin, galvanized, that Mrs. Redmond won at an auction. And we're going to be taking and putting barnwood shelves in here. And so it's working out that the barnwood that is actually 6 inches in width, we could take two pieces and stick in here since this is 12 inches. And then we're cutting them 7 3/8 to fit inside this piece of tube here, square channel, whatever you want to call it. And anyways, it fits right inside there. And then we're going to come in on the back side and fasten these wood pieces in. And we're making a shelf to go with the barnwood mirror that we have there. So that's our plan for today. So far so well. We found this box, or Mrs. Redmond's had this box, but we found this box a long time ago. So we are not sure exactly what we're going to do with it yet. You guys can comment on it, what you think we should do with it. But it's a really nice box. So we're going to do something with it. Storage of some kind, I don't know. Might put us, make us a, I don't know what we're going to do with it yet. We'll just have to see. It's a pretty old international shoe company. So, but just follow along and we'll show you what we got going on here. So we're having kind of a lazy day here. Mr. Bullinger really don't feel like getting up out of his chair. So we're making everything on this stool here. Otherwise I'm going to go out and get salt. We're just going to do it like this. So we take, and we measure, and we know this inch square because we got squared off a bit. Measure over 7 3/8 of an inch. We've done squared it. Then we have our shelf piece. So by the time we're all said and done, that is what the inside of this piece is going to look like. So let's go ahead and cut two more. So now we took and we scribed this line on here. This is 7 3/4 of an inch, which should hit in the center of that board. And then we're going to make a hole at 2 inches, then 4 inches, then 8 inches, and 10 inches, because this is 12 inches across. And that should hit them two boards, and we will be able to fasten them on the back side with screws to hold them in place. And then all we do is take some 5-inch drywall screws, put them here on the back side, these 3 drills, and just ease them in about like that. About like that. And then we have a shelf fastened in there, just like so. Now we'll repeat that 4 more times, and we'll show you the finished product. All right, guys. Well, there's the finished product. Got shelves here, and shelves here. So be sure to like and subscribe for this video, and remember to watch for the short of where it's installed in the bathroom. Thank you all for watching. Y'all have a good evening.